Why is the mainstream media forcing down our throats the so-called experts who so happen to be white? These so-called experts do happen to be white. You've seen how the mainstream media will parade these so-called experts on different matters that are of importance to South Africans. So what unfolded in the Parliamentarians ad hoc committee, which is investigating the political interference, the capturing of the South African police service by criminal syndicates and politicians, exposed what some of us have been saying about these so-called white experts, that actually